Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan from Ryan's Tech Guide, and I'm here to help you with your tech. So tonight we're going to be talking about passwords. Oh, the dreaded password. Everybody loves changing their password. It's everyone's favorite thing to do in their job or at their house, but no, it's not. A lot of people don't care for doing it. But in this video, I'm going to go through the reasons why you need to, and we're going to go through some best practices and some general conversation about passwords. So passwords, why are they so important? Well, my opinion, basically, password is the key to your digital life. Everybody's lives are pretty much on the web now. The people are very much involved with different passwords, different accounts for various things they do. And so many people never change their password. They always keep the same one they've been using for 2-3 years or longer. And I don't understand. I mean, it needs to be upkept. You have to upkeep your passwords. It's dangerous if you don't. An inconvenience, yes, and it can be difficult sometimes to remember, but absolutely passwords need to be changed every so often. So please always do that. Keep your passwords changed we'll go into more detail of how often, but definitely keep your passwords upkept. That's number one for me. Number two, one of the practices I want to talk about is, first of all, never share your password with anyone. I mean, you don't share your bank number, you don't share your PIN number, you don't share your keys to your house to strangers, or you leave them around. You always keep it to yourself, and passwords should be treated the same. Everybody should be keeping it to what they know in terms of making it randomized, so that way it reduces the ability for people to cyber attack you and take your information, money, or whichever else you feel is important to you. Never ever use the same password on all different accounts. Always change your passwords to different ones for every account. So that way then you're reducing the ability for the person who wants to cause harm to go into everything you have. So that would be definitely one best practice. Another one is always have 8 to 12 characters or more for each password you do, and use the alphanumeric style. Now, alphanumeric is the letters, numbers, special characters, uppercase, lowercase letters that you can do. And it's the best thing to do. Keep it randomized, have as many passwords as you can, and at least 8 to 12 characters or more. These are things that will help you protect your information, protect everything that you hold dear on the web. Just in general, that's what we need to do. That would be another one I would consider as high priority. This one here, have a number of passwords that can be rotated in and out. Now, what I mean by that is have many. Like, don't have one or two, have like 10 or more, and rotate them in and out. There is software out there that actually can help generate passwords for you, which is okay. But I just feel, if you can create your own passwords, that would be better. And again, you keep them randomized, you keep them in the alphanumeric style, and change them out fairly often. Now, according to what I was reading, this industry standard is 3 months to change your password. Every 3 months, you should do this. It's probably the best thing to do. I mean, that's what the standard says. Some people change their passwords every month. Some people even change their password every day. So depending on your job where you're at. Absolutely another practice to follow. This one here coming up, I don't understand why people do this. I understand to the extent that it's for convenience and to remember, but never leave your passwords written on Post-it notes and stick them to the device or the monitor that's at your workstation. Never do that. I've seen that so many times. I do not recommend you do that. You keep it to yourself. It's just vital. Please do not do this practice. Try to eliminate that out of your daily routine whenever you go on the web. Again, keep passwords should be protected at all costs. And another thing, and the final thing, and it's relatively new in the fact that people are now getting used to it. It's called MFA, or multi-factor authentication. And now many companies, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Gmail, or Google, basically what it is that you do a login attempt. And what it does, it'll send out information to their server or their MFA, and it will come back and it will say, is this you? And if you say yes, or you put in the number it provides or the email that they send or other information, then you'll be allowed to proceed. So that is absolutely something people need to start implementing on all of their stuff. If anyone asks you, yes, should I put it? Absolutely do it. It takes an extra couple seconds, but it's excellent to help block people from cyber attacks. So please use MFA when you can. So those are the practices in the general chat that I've come up with. Again, passwords, I understand passwords can be painful to change all the time. If you can do these things, it will help you protect your information and protect yourself against cyber attacks. So with that, Thanks very much for watching. If you like what I'm doing and you like the content I'm producing, please hit the like or subscribe button. Want to get more information on other videos that I'm doing? Hit the notification bell on the right. Please leave comments below. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good night.